What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing the Killer Concepts fire extinguisher holder that goes in the front seat here, the passenger side. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what's going on this channel. Here's the bracket that's used, and then you get a quick release mount. These go around your fire extinguisher. Comes with all the hardware. Comes with 2 sets of instructions from H3R Performance, and then instructions from Killer Concepts that he typed up himself, that tells you literally step by step the size of the bolt you're removing, how many you're removing, everything. So first things first is gotta grab a panel tool here, and you have these little plastic tabs, or these plastic covers. The easiest way to get at them is to get underneath it and try not to break it. These usually don't like to come out very easily. I always have a hard time getting these out myself. Let me try it from this way. There we go. So there's one. You can see there's like these little clips right on the sides. They're really hard to get off. And then there's this one. That one's off. Oop. Move the mat. Come to the other one. Oops. This one's usually really difficult for some reason. There we go. This one I could probably, yep, I'm gonna need the tool. I don't know why these are so difficult to get out sometimes. There's that one. All right, then you have 5 14mm bolts, one on each side up front, one there, 2 there. So let's get them buzzed out. I like to use my impact a lot when I do things. All right, just makes things go a little faster. 3/8. Well, I don't have the 3/8 drive impact. I have the it has an adapter. Hopefully I can actually bust these loose with this impact. Might have to use the actual ratchet. So, no, they're coming right out. That one, and that one. And the bolts. Move the seat. There's that one, and that one. Then there's the seat belt plug right here. Pop that out. And now I gotta take the seat out. Now is also a great time to clean the carpet. Mine's not that dirty, but I'm still going to give it a little vacuum in here before I put the seat back in. I won't bore you guys with that. All right. Okay, now that that's off, the seat belt back adjuster, there's 2 screws that hold that in. Let me get I gotta put a towel down or something. Let's see here. There we go, that works. So you see these 2? Gotta take these out. I've lost those. Don't lose those. Right, then you also have to take out this screw and this screw. Oop, there might be a third one. No? Maybe it's just a clip. There we go. There wasn't a third one. It's just, you have to like slide it forward. Okay. So, this one. Okay, so the reason we take that out is when you see this needs a hole drilled right in here. Oh, so this needs a hole drilled. When it's sitting on, needs the hole drilled right in here, about 1.7 inches down from this top hole. That's for this. So I gotta go ahead and drill that out. So let's get that drilled out. I'm not gonna show you that. I'll mark it, drill it, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I did a new plan of attack. So it sits on the inside of both rails here. And I put in the 2 bolts here, just sitting in there to help center it, and the 1 bolt here. So then in here, I'll take, let's see, yep, silver Sharpie, come over here, now that I got it marked, I know where to drill, so I can go ahead and drill that out. And then I'll show you. So now I'm gonna get it drilled out and I'll show you guys. All right guys, so I got the hole drilled. You can see the bolt, it's just loosely sitting in there and goes all the way through. Got the bracket mounted for the fire extinguisher. Now I just have to finish putting in all these bolts and mount this to this and the fire extinguisher, and then put it all back together. So I'm gonna keep going. All right guys, well I got it all done. So it's in. You can still move the seat, and then if you need it, so it's still kind of tight. I need a smaller fire extinguisher, but if you need it, pop it off, it comes out. Now putting the pin back in is a little difficult, but you don't need to worry about putting the pin back in when you're trying to put out your car's fire. So yeah, well, let me sit down and show you guys. There's plenty of room, so I have the seat all the way back and I got clearance. It's not bad. I need to get a smaller fire extinguisher. I think mine's too thick and it's causing the pin to be a little tight. So I'm gonna look at getting a new fire extinguisher, but it's better than not having one at all. So that's gonna be it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. I'll catch you guys later.